Hey, I'm Jake with SmartCap here, showing off the SmartCap Sport on the Ranger. A couple of features we got on the SmartCap here. Of course, this is our high-end cap, so it's got the nice bonded tempered glass in here, slider window built in. We've got the latch covers on here, so if you guys are in cold climates or dusty climates, it's going to keep your latches from getting frozen or all dirty. All the SmartCaps come with a gull wing door, so you got access on the inside. With this particular cap, we've got the kitchen bin set up. So the cool thing about the kitchen bin is it comes with all GSI gear. You flip out your stove and you're ready to cook. If your truck's super tall, you can actually undo the stove here and take this out, and that way you can put your stove somewhere else and cook away from the truck if you want to. Comes with all the GSI gear here, keeps you super organized. Perfect setup for somebody who's out camping and wants to be having everything in its place. Something that goes along with this that is really cool, that I love. Inside the SmartCap, we've got a table for you. Unlock that, drop that bracket down, and this table comes all the way out. And then you got your table set up for your campsite. It's not tucked underneath all your other gear that's in the back of the bed. When you're done with it, locks back into place, super secure. Check out this side of the truck. So as I mentioned, every SmartCap has a gull wing door. You can see on this side how if you don't put any accessories in, you've got access inside your bed. But again, if you want to do something a little more universal, we've got bins that you can put your gear in however you want, and just makes it a little more flexible for however your lifestyle is. If you want to take any of the bins or accessories out later, like let's say you got to put a bunch of stuff in the back of your truck and you're not out camping and doing all that, you can take these back out. So SmartCap is super modular, super friendly for any of the needs that you have, and it's a stainless steel construction, so it holds 770 pounds. So if you're a rooftop tent guy, you can pop that on top. And we do SmartCap for all kinds of beds. It's vehicle specific. You can check any of that out at smartcap.com.
All right, hey guys, I'm Charlie, co-founder of Stapll, and at Stapll we make the world's first and only fender rack. So this right here, this is our innovative bed rail mounted fender rack. What this does, this mounts to your bed rail. It's guaranteed to fit your truck, and it will fit any truck on the market. So again, it mounts to your bed rail and then gives you a mounting point on the exterior of the truck below the bed rail. This is our 6x7 MOLLE panel. It's great for mounting gas cans, hard cases. You can mount full MOLLE panels across the side of your truck. What this is doing is it's expanding your storage capabilities of your truck without continuing to take up bed space. So you can still have your four-wheeler, your dirt bikes, your crossbars, but now you have expanded storage on the outside that's easily accessible. So with our hard cases, again, you've got storage that you can actually reach. You're not climbing on the roof. And I know we've all been down a bumpy road with our recovery gear on the roof of the truck. It makes your truck way more top heavy. This gets the weight down low, the center of gravity low, so it's better for off-roading, and again, it's easy access. Then you get a table for cooking or working. The other big advantage of our bracket is you can actually mount MOLLE panels on the inside of the bed as well. We don't have that on display today, but you can mount MOLLE panels on the inside and the outside, as well as mounting things across the top. So as you can see, we have click fists here, so you could get bike racks mounted here, shovels, etc. on the bed rail of the truck. I want to put beds out there. Again, it's guaranteed to fit any truck on the market via clamp hardware or track hardware. Gosh, it's limitless. And another important thing to note is it works great with truck campers. It's only 14 millimeters thick, so it's going to work with truck campers, tonneau covers, and cappers.
I've been looking for something like this.
So we sell a rubber leveling kit. This is a hard rubber that you install between the brackets, and that allows you to mount a camper like a Go Fast camper or tonneau cover right on top. So this thing is phenomenal, man. If you don't want to climb into the bed of your truck to access your gear, this is the solution for you. Thanks so much.
Hey guys, Jack here with TrailRax. We're going to be showing off here our new Ranger rack. We're going to be releasing it here very soon in March. We are debuting it here at Overland Expo. But as you can see, or not see. It is a bolt-on roof rack. We have found a way that you do not have to drill this Ranger roof rack in, but we're also showing off one of our new accessories that, if you follow us on our socials, you'll be very familiar with our new mounting decks. This is our smallest size that you see here. As you also see, there's an L-track compatible mounts. We have 3 different sizes offered, a large, a medium, and this is the small as you see it here. You can find TrailRax on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at TrailRax. We are doing a Bronco giveaway. We have started it and we will run it till August 25th. So get your entries in, go to trailrax.com for more information.